A huge column of dust could be seen towering over vehicles that had stopped on the road leading up to it. Some parts of the UAE witnessed a massive storm, with multiple tornado-like formations being created on Wednesday. Rains have been lashing Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah and Fujairah, with hail, dust storms. Authorities in Abu Dhabi took to social media to warn residents of moderate to heavy rains in Al Ain, sharing safety tips that motorists should follow. Huge dust devils, which appear like tornadoes, were spotted in Kadra, Ras Al Khaimah in videos the National Centre of Meteorology shared on Wednesday. Rains could be seen showering the area as massive dust formations could be seen swirling across the location. In another video, lightning could be seen striking the ground as cars stopped on the road just ahead of a massive storm. In the video below, watch the huge column of dust towering over some vehicles and people that dotted the road leading to it.